Unit 7 Fractions. This will be the last unit for your final examination. We are going to learn only exercise 7.1 from this unit. Today, you are going to write down only the definitions, the introductions for this lesson. We will go into the detail of the exercises in the next class or in the next video. Fractions. Unit 7 Fractions. Kinds of fraction. Like fractions and unlike fraction. What are like fractions? Like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. Denominator kan ti chu number atnuai zo kami hi denominator kan ti chu ni a heng atnuai mi number ho hi a in anvek chuan kha fraction a kha like fraction kan ti chu ani. Unlike fractions, fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Denominator in ang lo vek a khan, we call that unlike fraction. Very easy. Denominator in ang vek ka like fraction anya. Denominator in ang lo vek ka unlike fraction ani may. Skill check. This is from your textbook. Textbook kami niya kan entinang. Shade the boxes with like fraction. Like fraction, how ka? You shade it. Like fraction kan ti chu nge denominator in ang here. Look at the denominator. Denominator ay in ang this is like fraction. Next, 11, 11, 11. Look at the denominator. It is like fraction. You have to shade it. Next, you have 7 and 9. Different denominator. This is unlike. Next, 2, 9, 7. This also different. 9 and 11 different. And then the next box, 18, 18, and 18. Same denominator. That means this is like fraction. This is from your textbook. You can just do it in your textbook, all right? No need to copy it in your notebook. Next, we have the improper fractions and proper fractions. What are improper fractions? Fractions which have the numerator equal to or greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. Fraction atung zo ki numerator kanti anya anwai zo ki denominator kanti suni. Numerator hi alian zok amo, denominator ni na in ansuan ka fraction ka improper fraction kanti suni. Example, we have 7 by 3, 4 by 3, and 9 by 9. Proper fraction. Fractions where the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. Fraction na numerator number atung zok amihi, denominator aya atet zok chuan ka fraction ka proper fraction kanti atsuni. Example, we have 2 by 3, 7 by 9, and 1 by 4. You have to copy this in your notebook. Skill check from your textbook. You do not need to copy this in your notebook. Improper fraction. How ka kan shadang. Improper fraction how to enge kan soinon liang. Numerator lian zok amo, denominator ni na in ansuan. Numerator to number atung zo kami hi alen zo kamo atnuaya mi number denominator ni na in ansuan ka fraction ka improper fraction. Masabera 4 by 6 numerator te zok anilaw. Hey proper fraction. Anya. Then next, 3 by 8, this is proper fraction. 2 by 5 proper fraction. 5 by 3 is improper fraction. 2 by 1 proper. 11 by 5 is improper. 6 by 9 is proper. 9 by 13 is proper. 5 by 7 is proper. 3 by 2 is proper. 7 by 7 is improper fraction. 10 by 9 is improper. 12 by 8 is improper fraction. 8 by 9 is proper. 1 by 3 is proper fraction. And 4 by 5 is proper fraction. Next, we have mixed numbers. You have to copy this in your notebook. When you combine a whole number with a fraction, we get mixed numbers. Whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kanyang whole number. Topaka whole numbers kanti itunya. Kaka fraction niya in da kopzuan, we will get a mixed number 1, 1 by 2. You have to copy this in your notebook. This is skill check from your textbook. No need to copy down in your notebook, but complete it in your textbook, all right? 19 by 8 hi engtin nge lo chwa. Circle pakhat hi slicing za in nge a in chen. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chumi ni wang chuan denominator a hian 8 in a in zia ka. Oh, chuanin a in kat zat kha eng zat nge a in kat zong zong a chang khanin a sena in color ho kha eng zat nge heta pariatania 8 plus 8 is 16 17 18 19 19 by 8. You get this one. How do you get 2 3 by 8? You have to divide 19 divided by 8. The number closest to 19 in 8 timetable is 8 2s are 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. So a quotient here in Ziakmasad 2 and then remain the 3 here, the dividend, the divisor 8. 2 3 by 8. Alright, move on to the next. This big rectangle is divided into smaller square, 6 smaller square. So in the denominator you will have 6. How many colored squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 6. How will you write 7 by 6 into mixed fraction? You divide it again. 7 divided by 6. Number closest to 7 in 6 timetable is 1. 1 6 are 6. Remainder is 1. So your mixed fraction will be 1 1 by 6. You have to write it in the box. Alright. Then let's move on to the next skill checked. This big triangle is divided into another 1 2 3 4 4 smaller triangles. So in the denominator you have 4. Denominator you have 4. How many small colored triangles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 by 4. And divide 7 by 4. How much do you got? The number closest to 7 in 4 timetable is 1. 4 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then your mixed fraction will be 1 3 by 4. I hope it is clear. With that, we have completed the introduction of Unit 7 fractions. In the next class, we will go into the detail of the exercises. Thank you.